Homework, travelers today and in the past. Question 1. Match situations with correct actions. 1. You arrive late at the bus stop. Miss the bus. 2. You travel by air. Board an airplane. 3. You finish your journey by train. Get off the train. 4. You arrive early at the bus stop. Wait for the bus. 5. You travel on two wheels. Ride a bicycle. 6. You start your train journey. Get on the train. Question 2. Complete the sentences with could or couldn't based on the information from the text in the lesson. Sentence 1. People couldn't travel easily in the 1920s. Sentence 2. They could plan their journeys more carefully. Sentence 3. People couldn't often fly by airplane in the past. Sentence 4. Travelers could cross the Atlantic by ship. Sentence 5. People couldn't travel very fast long ago. Sentence 6. Travelers couldn't reach far countries in one day. Sentence 7. People couldn't use modern transport like undergrounds. Question 3. Make questions using could. Question 1. Could people travel long distances in the past? Question 2. Could families go on holiday easily long ago? Question 3. Could travelers carry heavy bags on ships? Question 4. Could people buy tickets online in the 1920s? Question 5. Could tourists reach other continents by train? Question 6. Could people change transport many times during a trip? Question 7. Could travelers choose fast transport in the past?